Sitting is the new silent addiction, and at the end of this video, I'll share a simple trick I personally use to avoid it. Most people think sitting all day is completely normal, but it actually has a direct impact on your posture, your blood circulation, and even your energy levels. When you sit for too long, your blood flow slows down. Your muscles, especially in your core and legs, start getting weaker. And over time, your body adapts to this inactive position. That's why so many people experience back pain, tight shoulders, neck stiffness, and that constant low energy feeling, even if they slept well. Here's what's really happening inside your body. Your muscles stay inactive for hours, your metabolism slows down, and stiffness starts building up in your joints and spine. The good news? You don't need a complicated routine. Just stand up every 30 to 60 minutes, walk around for a minute, and do a quick stretch. And here's the simple trick I use. I set a silent reminder on my phone every hour to get up and move. If you're at work and can't really exercise, every 90 minutes go to the restroom and do this simple reset. Bend your knees at a 90-degree angle and press your back against the door. Keep your head facing forward and hold your arms in front of your face with your palms facing the wall in front of you. Stay in squat for about 30 seconds. If you sit a lot every day, try this one small habit change. Your body will feel the difference. So don't forget to. Hourly movement reset. Every 30-60 minutes, stand up and gently stretch your back and legs to reactivate blood flow. Wall posture reset. Stand against a wall with your head, back, and hips touching it for 30-60 seconds to realign your posture and reset your spine position. If you want to live longer and healthier, don't forget to subscribe now.